Hi friends, now we are going to learn about the file operations and what we are going to do with the file operation. Just to click on the file, then you will get a cursor, the window like this, and we'll get many operations such as new, open, set window directory, close window, save, copy, backup, mirror, paint, rename, security, erase, delete, and such many operations. Then first we'll go to the open operation. Just the shortcut for this is Control O. You can see here Control plus O. And opening files in Pro is the same as in any window applications. Either go to the file, open the menu bar, or select the file following icon from the system toolbar, or you can directly press Control O to click this. If you and Initially, all Pro items such as parts, assemblies, sections, drawings, formats, etc. Will show up in the window for the current dictionary that you are in. And if you want to apply a filter to see part files, use the file filter put down towards the bottom of the window. If you are browsing through other folders and wish to return to the current working directory, to look there, click on the window directory icon to browse through the favorite locations that you set up. Click on the favorite icons. That means we should go to the set working directory. You can see here working directory. If you want go to other windows, or if you want to come from other windows, you just click on this and we'll get a new window. From here we can go to other windows like desktop, documents, working directory, and your favorites, and so on. You can go on by searching a file name here. You can directly go on to that. And now we are not going to this. We are going is just giving an introduction, and we are seeing in this what are there. And next, when we come, we can save files in Project. This was somewhat different process. To save the current file, you just go to the file and then save, or click on the following icon in the system toolbar, and in the message window, and we get a message window. In the message window, you will be shown that the part that is being saved. Click enter on the keyboard, and then green check the mark. Click enter on the keyboard. Then you will get a that file is saved. This window is saved, and this design you made is saved. And how to erase? Then again go to this. You will have an erase option here, and current or not displayed. Current says that you should the thing which is on the window right here in this working plane. This if you click on current, this what is there on this working plane will be erased, and not displayed means what is not there and not displayed on the window. If we draw a 3D image, we can see some lines and we cannot see some lines, and the image the some lines which cannot be seen to us is come under non-displayed, and that will be erased in this. And now comes to deleting the files. Deleting, again go to the file, then you have an option delete here. Delete it. Old versions or all versions. Old versions means previous ones. All versions means all the data which we do on in this session in your pro engineering software. Before you delete any Pro Engineering files, be absolutely sure that no Pro files are dependent on the files which you wish to delete. For example, suppose you created an assembly and used a particular component. If you delete this part, you take it out of the assembly, then the assembly will fail when you try to open it. That is the thing. And the old version, coming to the old version, delete all the versions from the hard drive except the most recent of for the currently active file. This method projects the old version but leaves the most recent in the memory. And coming to all versions, it deletes all the versions on the file from the hard drive, including the most recent versions, and erases the current file data from the memory. This is the total loss of the data from the file. And this says And to create a new file, if you draw something, if you draw your design on these three parts and you made an assembly, and if you want to create a new file, then just go to the file and click on new, and again you will get the window which you get in the starting of this window. Again click on part. Actually it is be clicked on part, and then you uncheck this, use default templates. You should uncheck the default templates and then click it on OK. Then here you will get inches. IMBLS means inches part solid. Then you should click on this MMNS part solid, then click OK. You will get a new window where this is a new window, and again you can draw a new you can draw your new design here and then assemble it. And then we can also join this and the previous one. If you uncheck this, we will get the this and the previous one, both. We can mix these two. Coming to the file and go to new, here there are some parts which we want to discuss here, and this is the select the primary file type. This all the primary file types is sketch, where we sketch, and part where we do the different operations on part. And this is called the select the subtitle. Subtitle means solid, composite, sheet metal. These are come under what type of material you use and what type of design you are going to make. And this is a common name. This is a name which given to the file, and common name, this is a wind chill file, wind chill only. It means it is taken by default, and we should uncheck this and then we click OK. Then we should click on this MMNS part solid and then click OK. You should not check any windows or any blocks. You should directly click OK. Then coming to the mouse cursors button, we have three buttons on mouse. One is the left one is the right one, and one is the middle button, or the what we say, this scroll wheel, mouse wheel. And the left button, if you want to select two or three planes or two or three surfaces in Creo, just click on control, just hold on control and click towards this. Now these two planes are selected, these two, front plane and top plane, these two planes are selected. Now if you are then what the design you are going to make will be on these two planes. On the plane which includes these two planes, you will make the design. This is the use of the left button. Middle button of the mouse will be used for zooming or zoom out. Just we can do this here also, zooming and then zoom out, moving up and down. If you open it, will get zoomed out like this, and if you scroll down, you will get zoomed in, and where you want to zoom in, there we can get zoom in. See this, getting zoomed. If it's minimize, it gets minimized. See this one, go. Which part we want to go, that part it will come. Again we can get to resize. This is the button to resize, it will get like this. This is the button to where we get resize. Whatever you do the operations on this, whatever it may be, if you click once this, it will come to the first what will get on the screen first time, then we will